Happy day, students. Today I am going to deal with 11th standard English, lesson 3, forgetting book back exercises, part 2. Dear students, please turn to page 77, 78. We shall go to grammar, passivization. We use the active form to say what the subject does. For example, I speak English every day. Okay. We use the passive form to say what happens to people or things, to say what is done to them. So, example, English is spoken by me every day. Let's move on to the exercise on page 78. Identify the changes in this pairs of active and passive constructions. Okay, first one. You see, the pilot flew the airplane to Bengaluru. The airplane was flown to Bengaluru by the pilot. The first sentence has the pilot as its active subject. The airplane is its active object. The verb flew is an active verb. The importance is given to the doer, that is the active subject. Moving on to the second sentence. The second sentence has the airplane as its passive subject. The verb was flown is the passive verb. Always verb 3, The active subject becomes the passive object. Second sentence, you see, the bananas were eaten by the monkeys. The monkeys ate the bananas. First sentence, you see, the bananas, passive subject, were eaten. It is passive verb because it is passive voice. The monkeys, passive object. Second sentence, you see, this is an active voice. The monkeys, active subject, ate, active verb, the bananas, active object. B. Change the voice of the following sentences. Very, very important. Please follow this, students. First one. Muhammad follows the rules. Muhammad subject, follows verb, the rules object. So, what is the answer? The rules are followed by Muhammad. Second one. Mohan has completed the course. The course has been completed by Mohan. Third one. Magdalene is singing the prayer. The prayer is being sung by Magdalene. Fourth one. Who wrote this complaint? By whom was this complaint written? Fifth one. May God bless you with happiness. Answer is, may you be blessed by God with happiness. Sixth one. A house is being constructed by them. Note down, ing is there. So, ing form will be used. They are constructing a house. Seventh one. Let the door not be slammed. That means don't slam the door. Then eighth one, you see, the team was trained by the coach. The coach trained the team. Now make sentences using the passive form of the verbs. They have given for you. First one, Tagore award Nobel Prize. Tagore was awarded the Nobel Prize. Second one, IIM Ahmed established 1961. IIM Ahmedabad was established in 1961. Third one, Chhattisgarh formed 2000. Chhattisgarh was formed in 2000. Fourth one, first passenger train inaugurated India 1853. The first passenger train was inaugurated in India in 1853. Fifth one, the Indian Airlines set up 1953. The Indian Airlines was set up in 1953. Now moving on to D. Look at the newspaper headlines and use the information. Heavy rains lashed Chennai. Heavy rains threw normal life out of gear. Okay. NEET classes, NEET classes to begin on September 20th. The central coordinator informed the candidates that the NEET classes will begin on September 20th. Third one, 12 injured as buses collide. About 12 people were injured as two private buses collided at the Dindigul bus terminus today. In page 79, you can see expand the following headlines in a sentence. First one, municipal elections in December. Municipal elections will be held in December. And before that, you should write date and place. Okay. Now, second one, telephone customers to get video phone. There is a chance for telephone customers to get video phones. Third one, card license to replace paper driving license. Within a short time, card license will replace paper driving license. Fourth one, ATM without security guard to close. The central government asked the banks to close down the ATMs without security guard. Now, describing a process is very important, students. Anu and her little brother want to refresh themselves with a hot cup of tea during study time. Help them prepare tea. Given below are the steps, the instructions to make 2 cups of tea. So, first step, what you should do? Boil 2 glasses of water in a vessel. We all do this at home. Then add 2 teaspoons of tea leaves and half a cup of milk. Third one, cover the vessel with a lid. Fourth one, filter the tea and pour in cups. Next, add 2 teaspoons of sugar and stir it. Finally, serve hot. Moving on to next exercise, that is complete the passage by filling in the blanks with the passive forms of the verbs. The water should be boiled in a vessel. The tea leaves and milk are added to water. The vessel is covered with a lid. The tea is filtered and poured into the cups. Sugar is added and stirred. Tea is served hot. Second one, you see, here is a recipe to make chocolate cake in a pressure cooker. Rewrite the instructions in passive voice. Okay. This you can make. First point, the flour, that is all-purpose flour, maida, cocoa powder and baking powder are first sifted in a mixing bowl. Secondly, butter, sugar, salt, water and vanilla essence are added and the ingredients are beaten using a whisk. Thirdly, eggs are added and the batter is beaten until it is smooth. Fourth point, the batter is transferred into a baking tin. And fifth point, the pressure cooker covered with a lid is heated without pressure for 3 to 4 minutes on high heat. Then the cake tin is placed in the empty cooker. Water is not added in the cooker, students. Note the point. Then sixth point, lid is closed without pressure. The flame is lowered and it is let to be cooked for about 30 minutes. And they have given for you the process of wrapping a Christmas gift. You know, now let's move on to subject-verb agreement, that is known as concord. When you write a sentence, you must make sure that the subject and the verb agree. Subject-verb agreement is the correspondence of a verb with its subject in person and number. The basic rule states that a singular subject takes a singular verb, while a plural subject takes a plural verb. Always plural. After, people, police, cattle, a number of, a group of. Then, when subject has 2 nouns joined by and, okay, it is always plural. Few, many, several, both, all, some, then scissors, tweezers, trousers, shorts, jeans, glasses, all these take up, they are always plural. Then singular, always singular. After one of, a kind of, a type of, units of measurement and mathematical expressions. When the subject has 2 singular nouns joined by or, nouns connected with each one, either of, neither of, someone, something, anybody, anything, no one, nothing, everybody, everything. Names of subjects, if it is mathematics, politics, civics, economics, physics, etc., it always takes up singular verb. Okay. Moving on to next. Underline the correct verb in these sentences. Rekha and her sisters watch television every day. Okay. Second one. Ravi doesn't like sports. Ravi singular noun. No. So, third one. My classmates study before a test. Fourth one. One of the cookies is missing. Fifth one. A lady with 10 cats lives in that big house. It talks about a single lady. Sixth one, measles, disease. Measles is very serious. Seventh, the committee decides when to adjourn. Eighth, our team is the best. Ninth, everybody enjoys a good song. 10th, either of this is suitable. Correct the following passage, students. Where does, you can see, where does will not come. Where do the deer and the antelope play? The place is Yellowstone National Park. It was created in 1847. Parts of park are Wyoming, Montana and Idaho. The park is a safe place for many animals. Bears, moose, buffalo, deer and antelope live there. Because many animals we are saying you should use live only. Beavers, otters, fish and eagles also enjoy the park. For them, Yellowstone is home, sweet home. So dear students, hope you have understood all the exercises. With this, I wind up the class. Thank you.